What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and here today with the Walmart haul. So let's go ahead and hop right into my haul. I have some fun summer items, some beauty items, some birthday items, just a variety of things to share with you guys. And my kids and I, we are really excited because our local neighborhood pool is opening on the 4th. So I got the kids some new swimwear and I wanted to share it with you guys. I got these for Gator, these little swimming trunks, and I just love the colors. I love how they're really bright up here. And this is actually a navy, and then we have it trimmed out in a little green. And these are by Cherokee. They have the UPF 50 plus protection. I think these were like $11. I just love the blues on this next pair, and these are for Bunny. Yes, you guys, he is wearing a men's size large. Now, they are kind of big in the waist, but these were the ones that fitted the best because you guys know he's super tall. We haven't measured him in a while, but I think he's over 6 foot now at 14 years old. So this is the pair we got for him, and these are by George, and these were $13.93. Again, I just love the blues in this pair. Every time for the past month that we went to Walmart, Birdy and I were always looking through the girls' swimming suits. She wears a size 10, 12, and this is the suit we were looking for. We just think it's so pretty. We finally found it online for like $8 and some change. This little tag doesn't have a price tag because we actually ordered this online, but we thought this was super cute, and this is kind of like, you know, fluttery, and we just love the straps in the back. They are just so gorgeous. I mean, look at those colors. So pretty. Again, that was like probably $8.88. And then we went ahead and we found one more that she really liked. And these are both by Wonder Nation. This second one kind of has that same fluttery top. Really pretty. And then it has another layer underneath. And then the back is sort of sports bra style. Super pretty. And the bottoms look like this. If I can figure them out, this is what the bottoms look like. Super cute. I finally went ahead and picked this up for myself. This is the Halo Escape body spray in sea salt citrus, and it smells amazing, and I am just so in love with this gorgeous mermaid tail design. I think it's so pretty. So now I have the entire collection. I love everything by Halo Escape. You guys, these are only $4.97. None of their products are over $5. I just love this. I'm gonna put some on right now. You guys, it smells so refreshing and pretty. I just love this. I went ahead and bought the Latest in Lips Favorites. This is by Walmart Beauty. You guys, this was $9.88. You guys, check out my card up here if you want to see their other boxes. They have 6 boxes for under $10, and they're supposed to be all the like highest rated favorites. I priced the hard candy serum when I was in the makeup area, and these were like $6 or $7 each just for the one. So I mean, even if you just bought this and then bought the e.l.f. lip scrub, that would be probably over $10. So we're getting a lot of value here in this little beauty box. This is gonna help me get my feet ready for the pool. This is the first time I've ever seen one of these Shapey files. It's called the Shapey file in coarse, and it's really curved. I'll take it out of the package so you guys can see. But this is perfect for getting your heels ready for the pool, and that's something I really love to do every summer before I start going to the pool. But you guys know me, I love pink, so this is the one I picked. This is like super curved and huge, and then the back is even that same coarse material. This was, I want to say, almost $5. This is a repeat buy for me, but I have to say it's been a really long time since I've bought a blush from e.l.f., probably going on 3 years. This is the Contouring Blush and Bronzing Powder, and the color is St. Lucia, L-U-C-I-A. This is actually the blush. This actually looks a lot more tan than the one I have, and I've already compared colors, so hopefully they didn't change the formula, because that one color was the color I was after. It's the color blush that I've been wearing for 3 years now, and I really, really love it. You guys know I'm always looking for really great deals and always loving to share my deals with you guys in my Dollar Tree hauls and my Shop With Me's and my live streams. This product is something that I did some research on, and the ratings and the reviews were amazing. You guys, this is comparable to a GoPro. This is an ACTIVEON Action Camera. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I love that it comes in this really nice case. This was like $44 or $43 and some change. And like I said, the ratings were really nice. It comes with this case. It comes with 2 memory cards. It comes with a charger. It comes with the cable. It comes with this little stand, because you guys, we are going to be taking this to the pool this year. And I am just super, super pumped. Everything's in here. It's packaged really nicely. Like I said, I think I'm going to do an unboxing and review, and then like get some footage at the pool and under the water. To those of you that are looking for an affordable GoPro, I am hoping to add my 2 cents worth to help you guys in the decision of GoPro or another like dupe brand. So I'm really excited about this, you guys. It is super tiny, and I have to say this. One thing I have to say about this ACTIVEON compared to the GoPro is that we get a full LCD screen on the back. The GoPro, or a lot of the older models of GoPros, don't have the display screen on the back. The display screen was really important to me, and this one has a full display screen on the back versus just like recording old school and not knowing what you're getting, not knowing if you're in frame. So you guys, this is as big as it is. I also picked up this chest strap mount, and this again was like just $10 or $11 and some change. I thought that would be perfect for action videos, you know, whether I'm using it or the kids are using it, maybe even some Shop With Me's. Now the next couple items I'm going to share with you guys, I was so excited to get, because they're birthday presents for Gator. Gator is going to be turning 7 on July 2nd, and I have to whisper because he's just down the hall getting his hair cut. But these next 2 items were such an incredible deal, you guys. These next 2 items were normally $99 each, but I got them for such a great price, such a great like rollback or clearance price. I'm going to get the box, you guys. It is huge, and I'll show you what I got them. Do you guys see how big this box is? It is big and it's heavy. It is so huge. You guys see? Here's the first thing, you guys. It's super huge. I can barely get it to fit in frame. This is called a terrain twister. You guys, I have to whisper because I don't want him to hear me. He has eagle ears. He's gonna be so excited, you guys. This is remote control. It goes on land, it goes in water, and through snow. And it's by Hot Wheels. This next item is the item that I told you guys he saw on the clearance aisle for $88. I didn't pay $88 for it though. I think I paid like $22. Do you guys see how big the box is? Oh. Now you guys better not tell Gator what he's getting for his birthday. Promise me you won't. Do you guys hear Birdy's cat? Jam, I really hope he doesn't come in here while I'm opening this. I I really, really hope he doesn't. You guys know I'm in a super, super tiny space, and I'm like, I have things all around me, so I don't have room to like set this down and open it properly. I think I might have broken a nail. I didn't. I thought I did, you guys. I was like, oh no, I broke a nail. It's one of the ballistic razors. He is gonna love it. You guys, it's super heavy. I saw a man and his son drop 2 of these out of a helicopter, and they, like, one of them was in perfect shape still. These things are really, really well constructed. I can't wait to see him play with these. Again, you guys, both of these toys were normally $99 from Hot Wheels. I got one for $17 and some change, and the other one for $22 and some change. And I mean, I just couldn't believe the price. Gator wouldn't have gotten these if these were $100 each, but $17 and some change and $22 and some change really, really made it just an amazing gift, and made me be able to give him a super amazing gift for his birthday. Well, hey you guys, that wraps up my Walmart haul. I'm not sure how much of that last part I'm gonna edit out, but I know you guys probably had a fun time seeing me struggling with the boxes, and you were probably wishing I just had a pair of scissors or a box cutter, but I had no idea it was gonna be wrapped like that. Anyways, I am super excited about the items that I recently got from Walmart. I love the swimwear, I love the beauty items, and the birthday gifts I know are going to be a hit. So if you guys want to see more Walmart items here on my channel and more Walmart hauls, please just let me know down in the comments. Hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.